Hey guys, I thought I'd shoot a video today. It's not going to be nothing too special, but I wanted to put something up. We got a Lennox condenser here that has a bad defrost board that we're going to change. Looks like that coil's being eaten away too. So we'll get some film on it while we change a defrost board. Okay guys, here's our existing defrost board, and you can see here where I've bypassed it because what was happening is right down here somewhere you can see where these two wires plug in down here, these two red ones, to release power to the contactor. Well, it wasn't doing that, and this is the relay right here that does that. And every time I would tap on this relay, the contactor would pull in and then it would pull right back out. So I just took common and yellow, wire nutted them, and they're going straight to the contactor. And then these are my two reversing valve leads. I just hooked them straight to the contactor also to pull in the reversing valve at all times. And that's how I've been letting it run, because we don't have a Lennox parts house here. I had to alter the board. So now we're going to swap it out.
The chamber spins around, 5 holes are empty, and one's loaded down, pull and you live. You can take the white line, but it's 1 out of 6, and all of it's mine. Yeah, all of it's mine. Trade a few seconds for hours of bliss. Boom, and you live. You can take no one.
Grippers. One. Okay, one more. All we gotta do now is fix our fan wire. is. All right, guys, that's it. It's complete. Hand me my meter. I'm going to take a voltage reading and see if the thermostat is calling for cool right now. If not, we're going to go turn it on and make sure everything works like it's supposed to. Common and Y is what we're looking for. Let's see if I can, and if you see there, we don't have 24 volts. So we're going to go inside and turn the thermostat on. All right, guys, our contactor has pulled in. That's my nephew calling me. Hello? Yeah, it pulled in. All right, leave it on. All right, guys, the contactor has pulled in. So we're gonna get the stuff off the top of the unit and flip the disconnect there. Make sure everything runs like it's supposed to. There it is. Working just like it's supposed to. Alright, guys, probably wasn't the greatest video, but I wanted to shoot something. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and we will see y'all on the next one.